Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing for the Bose Acoustimass. This is one of the best speaker systems that money can buy. On Amazon, according to the website, it's got 41 customer reviews at 4.5 stars. And when I just typed in the word Bose Acoustimass, another one of their Acoustimass series, the 300, comes up actually as an Amazon choice. Bose is pretty hard to beat when it comes to home theater and basically any speaker system. They even come in cars. Very high quality stuff, and the price reflects that, but if you can afford one of these, I highly recommend them. This is the Series 3. They're on the Series 5. They come in both white and black, and I'm going to show you what this thing looks like. Of course, we got an owner's manual, or warranty information. Get yourself a warranty when you buy one of these. According to this, it comes with a, let's see what they got on the warranty here. I'm going to get straight into this. A period of 1 year, 2 in the European Union. So you get a 1-year warranty on your stuff. Very good. Although, given the quality of the speakers and the wires that come with this thing, look at the size of these wires. I think these are like 25 footers. 25 or 50 footer wires. Even the splicing on the end is high quality. Yeah, these are, Bose is no joke. Also, you get some little rubber foot pads to put on the bottom. There's an instruction manual on how to actually open this thing. How to put it in your home acoustically. Where to put in the wires, red, black. Pretty self-explaining. And they have support all around the world. They have 800 numbers in the US, all the way to India. Very, very well-rounded company, but enough of that. You guys want to see the speakers, what they look like. Let me show you what's up. Hold on 1 second here. If I can do this one-handed. Yeah, this thing is a monster. Hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta see if I can position this somehow. Oh, also, I didn't mention this, but we're going to have an Amazon and an eBay link in the description below for this specific speaker. And I would shop around, guys. You can get some pretty sweet deals on these. And let me actually just start reading off some of the facts about the Acoustimass. So, the Acoustimass series. Spacious stereo performance from a sleek design, redesigned, direct, reflecting Series 2 speakers fill the room with clear, lifelike sound. Deep low tones from a hideaway acoustic module, so you can like put this behind doors and stuff. Cables and connectors included and clearly marked for easy setup from the stereo receiver. Here's what the speakers look like. They have a nice chrome Bose on the front. These are the back. Remember, this is the Series 3. We're up to the Series 5 now, and they have some pretty awesome improvements. I want to check those out. And I want to see what this is. So you guys can read this if you want. Here's the specs on how big it is. Spacious sound for your music. Profilic sound. Give your music a little thump. You can hide the subwoofer behind a shelf or whatever, and it still blasts, which is awesome. And here's the dimensions of the thing right there. Pretty cool stuff. It comes in both white and black. You can get them in white for a little bit cheaper if you want to go used. Or you can go black, whatever fits your decor. So I'm not going to go crazy with this, the opening thing, but it looks really nice from the front. Very sleek, very clean. Acoustimass system. On the back, of course, you have your 4 plugs in the back. Negative, positive. A bunch of serial numbers, information regarding it. I'm not going to unbag this whole thing. Some good clips. Oh, they're spring loaded too, which is nice. They have spring-loaded clip catchers on the back. These are just straight up, you just throw the wires in and they clip, but very, very nice that they put some springs on the back of that. Some high-quality stuff. Usually you got to physically put those in. They have that nice spring mechanism. Other than that, this it pretty much explains itself. I highly recommend Bose as a brand. We use a few of their speakers in the house. They have great audio speakers, car speakers. When I just typed in speakers on Amazon, or I typed in speaker system, 3 of the products out of the, I don't know, the 25 or the 50 that appear on the first page, 3 of them are Bose. So Bose is a great company, and they're all full. Look at this one, the Bose Companion is 4.5 stars. I mean, they're high quality speakers, man. You really can't beat Bose as far as quality. Or if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper, you can get a Logitech for 40 bucks. But whatever you guys are looking for, I highly recommend Amazon and or eBay. We'll have links in the description below for your cheapest sound system today. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon as well, too, guys. We have audio speakers, MP3 players, tube amplifiers, speaker end cords, boards. We have Bluetooth speakers, phone speakers, MP3 players with speakers in them, transformers. We have a ton of different electronics and speaker stuff. Be sure to LP players with speakers in them. Two-way radios, just a ton of stuff. So check us out today, guys. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Check out the description below if you're looking for a Bose Acoustimass today. High quality speakers, highly recommend them. This thing blasts. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.